Imagine this. You're out at sea and suddenly your engine fails. What do? Emergencies can arise anytime. Knowing how to handle common boat repairs is crucial for any sailor. That's where our book comes in. How to Handle Common Boat Repairs at Sea is your practical guide. It's packed with step-by-step solutions for essential boat repairs. You'll learn how to fix mechanical issues and manage electrical failures effectively. Our book tackles each repair process clearly. You won't feel overwhelmed. Instead, you'll gain confidence to act quickly in emergencies. Picture being in control while others panicking. Picture fixing a leak or troubleshooting electrical faults. It's all possible with the right knowledge. Let's take an example. Say your battery fails. Our guide explains how to troubleshoot and replace it. You won't be stranded anymore. In summary, our book empowers you to handle emergencies with ease. You'll learn vital skills to keep your vessel operational at sea. Don't wait for an emergency to strike. Grab your copy of How to Handle Common Boat Repairs at Sea today. Download now and sail with confidence.